If you have a retail product that you're wondering can get into retail stores, then stick around and we'll be going over the 4 P's of retail marketing. My name is Brayden Kopp. I'm an intern here at Retailbound, and today, as I said, we will be going over the 4 P's of retail marketing and determining if your product is ready for retail or not. See you then. The first P in retail marketing is product. When going into different stores, you have to be able to describe what your product is and what goes into it in 5 minutes or less. The reason behind this is when determining if your product is worthy enough to get into different stores like Walmart or Kohl's, they can tell if your product is ready for it in 5 minutes or less. That's why it's so crucial for you to talk about your product in that short span of 5 minutes to make you seem more professional and that your product is ready for their store. Now going to the second P, which is pricing, but in this part we're also going to talk about the third P, which is placing. And the reason that we're going to talk about both of them is because they go hand in hand. When you're talking about your product and the pricing that goes with it, you also have to look at where you're going to place your products. Say that you have a high priced product, you're not going to be placing them into Walmart or different stores like that. But if you have a low priced item, then you would. So when you go into stores and you're starting to pitch your idea and they ask, what's your target market, and it's for a high valued customer, then you would make sure that you're not pitching to like Walmart, Kohl's, or different things like that, but more to a high-end store or even online. So hopefully this helps you for that part. The fourth and final P for retail marketing is the promotion aspect. There's a lot of different ways to get your product promoted, from newspapers to in stores. But when you go into stores or even through newspaper, you have to give them an amount of time to be able to change the newspaper around or in stores to promote your product. So say if you go into Walmart and it takes 30 days for them, but you only give them 15, they're not going to take your product. But if you give them an amount of time, like 30 or more, then they'll be gladly to take it and promote it for you because they're making money off it. So just when you're promoting your product, make sure you give that each company an amount of time for them to be able to set up your product and get it promoted. Hopefully throughout this video it has helped you determine if your product is retail ready or not. If you think your product is ready for Retailbound, then you can give us a call right here, email us right here, or even check out our website right here. Hope to see you in the next video. See ya.